Keyah Too Technical. I'm back again with another video, and today, as you can see, kind people over at Iblason was kind enough to send me out a case for the Z Fold6. This is a Z Fold6 dummy. As you can see, it's not the real phone, but I just want to come on here and show you what this case would look like if you are getting a Z Fold6. I did not end up getting a Z Fold6 yet, so we shall see, but this is the armor box for the Z Fold6, so I'm going to unbox it. Pretty much I already checked it out. They sent it over to me in blue. That's nice because blue is my favorite color. So pretty much it's a two-part case, as you can see here. So you would just put this piece on like so on the front of your device, and then you would come put the back piece on like so. And this is the look you will currently get if you have a Z Fold6 coming. This is what it looks like in the front. You don't have to worry about dropping it flat on the table because it'll be good to go. It's good and protected, no problems. I believe you could put your S Pen in here. Down here you do get all the cutouts that you would need. Over here you would have easy access for your power button. This would be your power button, but it'll also be your fingerprint scanner at the same time. Up here you do get all your cutouts at the top, as you can see, no problem. Turn it over to the back, you get deep cutouts for your camera. Get that kickstand, as you can see. Should be able to open it up and get that kickstand view right there. Now let's look at the lip and the inside. You get an okay size lip, no problems, but I wouldn't recommend you lay your phone flat on the table this way. I recommend you just close it and sit it on the table if that's something that you want to do. But overall, this looks good. Iblason makes nice, good looking cases. As you can see, you do get lip protection. I will make sure I put a link in the description to where you can go pick this case up for yourself. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.